Hello darlings and welcome to Myra Beauty. So I keep seeing these videos circling the internet with people cooking their eggs in heavy cream, and so I just wanted to try it. So we're going to start off. I have some butter in the pan and I'm going to add a little bit of chili oil, not too much, I'm sensitive to spice, and we're going to add in our heavy cream. I don't know how much, I just poured some in there, and we're going to crack our eggs. I'm not eating all of these eggs, I'm cooking some for my boyfriend, so I'm going to add some salt and some pepper, and I'm going to add in some rosemary for some extra flavor. We're going to see how that goes. And we're just going to cover these and cook these to your liking. I like mine done all the way. So, yep, that's what we're doing. Anyway, next we're just going to plate these up. And I decided to add some avocado with it. And we're going to take some toasted French bread and add on some strawberry preserves. And then we are going to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese and some parsley. Yes, I know my camera's shaking. Shut up. Anyway, I need my coffee in the morning. You can do tea, whatever you want. And I actually really liked how these turned out. I might cook them like this from now on. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you. Mwah.